My name is Zelda, and you are watching Zelda Sews. This is just a quick video of another Love Notions pattern I made, the Laundry Day Tee. And I know it's supposed to be made with knit fabrics, but I made it with a woven, and I sized up to a 3X on, actually I made the knit fabrics with the size 3X, but I also made this with the size 3X, and it fits nice and close in the bust area, not too tight or anything like that. Putting on the collar was a little bit of a challenge. I folded my fabric on the 45 on an angle and then cut out on the bias, and so the neckband went in great. It was a little bit touch and go there for a little bit, but it went in fine. But it fits nice. So this will actually help me when I'm making more Love Notion patterns, to probably size to the 3X to make sure that I can fit it. Or if it's made for wovens, it probably will give me a little bit more room. Thanks Izzy from Dizzy Quilts and Sews to recommend that I do size up, just in case the negative ease that's in the knit fabric wouldn't cause an issue with it being too tight. I didn't even think about it not being made for wovens. I just like this print, and it's just flowers, and I love flowers, so I made it. So I'm good. If I haven't yet, I'll put up a couple of pictures here of me in it so that you can see it. But I did the same scoop neck. I like the short sleeve, and I did it tunic length. So that's it. Here you have it. Yay! It works. So if you want to try it, go ahead and try it. I do recommend, though, to size up. If you're concerned at all, make sure you check the finished garment measurements. And if you want a little bit more ease, go up one size and grade back down to the size that you would normally wear past the waist. So that would be a suggestion from me. But take it or leave it. It's just my suggestion from me making it. Gosh, I'm so excited. I love these colors. I just love these colors. And you're not getting away without a sweatshirt. No. Okay. I'm actually, I just recorded this. I did this after church, which was pretty good. I came home, I cut it out. I had already washed the material and everything. So I came home, I cut it out, sewed it together, serged it, and it took me, let me see, I got it 1:30. It took me about 3 hours, and I know that's pretty long for some people. No, I'm sorry, 4 hours. It took me 4 hours. I cut out slowly, I sew slowly, but I enjoy my time when I'm sewing. So that's why it is long. Okay, Romans 10:13. For whosoever shall call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. Call upon the name of the Lord. Amen. That's a good one. I love it. You shall call upon the name of the Lord and you shall be saved. So whosoever. So are you the whosoever? Thanks for watching. I will see you in the comments, and you'll see me on my next upload. Bye for now.